Right. Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology Program. And this is a coaching classes conducted for NMMS exam 2024-25. So today's topic is mathematics. In mathematics, we are going to do LCM and HCF. All right. So we are giving you the classes right from the scratch. So even students who do not know any basics will definitely understand by attending these classes. All right. So with this note, let's start. So we are starting with the multiples of 2 and 3. All right. Yes. So now consider the multiples of 2 and 3. So multiples of 2 means what? 2 table, isn't it? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. Right. Now next we are seeing the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means 3 table, isn't it? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, which means 3 is getting added in each number. All right. Now let us identify the common multiples of 2 and 3. All right. So now see how beautifully it is highlighted. The common multiples, that is the common numbers in the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. So you can see 6 is same in common in both. 12 is common in both. 18 is common in both. 24 is common in both. 30 is common in both. 36 is common in both. Like that. So it goes, isn't it? So these are the common multiples of 2 and 3. 42 and so on. So the common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so on. Right. Now among these numbers, you can see that is being, given here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Which is the least, which is the smallest, that is 6, isn't it? So this is called as the least common multiple of 2 and 3. That is 6. All right? Yes. Now consider the multiples of 4 and 5. Right? So the multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, 36. So 4 tens are 40, 4 11s are 44, and it goes on like that. Next, we are seeing the multiples of 5, whereby we are having 5 ones are 5, 10, 15, 20, and it goes on like that. All right. Now let us identify the common multiples of 4 and 5. That is the common numbers. Here we have 20, 40, 60, 80, and so on. Understood? Yeah. Now let us list them now. The common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20, 40, 60, 80, and so on. Now among this, which is the least? Which is the least common multiple? That is of these 4 and 5 is 20, isn't it? Yeah. So, all right. Now, so this least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. So this is what we call it as LCM. All right. Now, with this note, let's move on to the next. Consider the multiples of 4 and 6. So the multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. And here we have the multiples of 6, which we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. All right. So multiples of 6 is nothing but the 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and it goes on. Now, in this, let us identify the common multiples. All right. So what is it we are going to identify? The common multiples of 4 and 6. So here it has been highlighted as we can just find out, isn't it? 12. Then we have 24. Then 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and so on. I'm sure all of you are understanding this. This is the basics, and without the basics, the next step in mathematics would be little difficult. So let us understand the basics before we, get into the problems, that is sums. All right. So the common multiples of 4 and 6 are whatever is being highlighted, we are just writing, right? So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and so on. So in this, what is the least? That is, what is the the less number. So the lowest number is 12. So this is called LCM. That is the least common multiple. All right. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. All right. Now let us consider the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and so on. Next, the multiples of 10 is the easiest one, isn't it? So 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Now let us identify the common multiples of 4 and 10. So what is the common multiples of 4 and 10? As highlighted here, it is 20, 40, 60, 80, and so on. Now again, we are jotting down here the common multiples of 4 and 10 are 20, 40, 60, 80. And among this, which is the lowest one, that is the least one, is 20. So this is called the least common multiple. In other words, it is LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. All right. Now again, we are considering the multiples of 6 and 8. Now what is a multiple of 6? It is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Next, we are considering the multiple of 8, which is 8, 16, 24, 32, and so on. Now, let us identify the common multiples of 6 and 8, right? So, we have, what are the common numbers? We have 24, we have 48, we have 72, and 96, and so on, right? Now, the next step, what is it we will do? We are seeing the least. That is the ekdam less number. That is ekdam smallest number in this is 24. So what is this 24 called as? This is the least common multiple of 6 and 8. That is the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. All right. Now we are considering the multiples of 6 and 10. So the multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. The multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. Now let us jot down the common multiples of these numbers. That is, the common multiples of 6 and 10 are 30, 60, 90, and so on. So now again, we are bringing it here. The common multiples of 6 and 10 are 30, 60, 90. And among this, the least, that is the lowest number is 30. And this 30 is called as the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 6 and 10, right, is 30. All right. So let us identify the common multiples of 6 and 10. Okay. So the least common multiples of 6 and 10 is 30. All right. Now let us find factors of numbers. So now, before we go into this, we need to know what are these factors, isn't it? Now we are considering 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3? 6. So here, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. And 2 and 3 are the factors. All right. So what are factors of 6? It is nothing but, how do you get the number 6? When you multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. So therefore, 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Now let us consider the number 4. Now let us recollect 2 and 4 multiplication table. So 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Therefore, 1, 2, and 4. Even 1 has to be taken. All right. So 1, 2, and 4 are the factors of 4. Now consider number 6. Let us recollect 2, 3, and 6 multiplication tables. So 2, 3, and 6. All right. So how do we get the number 6? 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. So therefore, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Because the number itself is a factor. 1 into 6 is 6, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, and 6. They are the factors of 6. Now consider the number 8. So here you have, let us recollect 2, 4, and 8 multiplication tables. So here we have 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. So 1, 2, 4, and 8 are the factors of 8. Let us consider the number 10. Now let us recollect 2, 5, and 10. right? Because only these numbers will go in 10. So 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10. Therefore, 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 10. All right, now let us consider the number 12. So let us recollect 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 because how do we take these numbers alone? Because 2 will go in 12, 3 will go in 12, 5 will not go. So 4 will go, 5 will not go. That is why you're not taking 5. 6 will go, 7 will not go. 8 will not go, 9 will not go, 10 will not go, 11 will not go, but 12 will go. And that's a maximum. That's the number we are considering. That is why let us recollect 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 multiplication tables. So here we have 1 into 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. They are the factors of 12. Now we are considering 12. So 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 multiplication tables. All right. So here it should be, 1 second, let me change. 18. So 2 will go in 18. Okay. 3 6 are 18. 4 will not go. 5 will not go. 6 3s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Okay. So here we are considering the number 18. Right. So in this 18, let us recollect 2, 3, 6 and 9 and 18 multiplication tables. All right. So if we see here, just a second. Yeah. So if we see here, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 multiplication tables, here you will have 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18 and 3 6 are 18, isn't it? Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. All right. Yes. Now we are considering the number 24. So in 24, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Next 24. Because after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, only 24 will go. All right. So if you jot down 1 into 24, 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. All right, now we are considering the number 30, right? Let us recollect. Let us recollect 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 multiplication tables. In this, you will have 1 into 30 is 30, 2 into 15 is 30, 3 into 10 is 30, 5 into 6 is 30, right? So 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are the factors of 30. Now let us consider the numbers 32. Let us recollect 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 multiplication tables. So 1 32s are 32, 2 16s are 32, 4 8s are 32. Therefore, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 are the factors of 32. All right, now here we are considering the number 36. 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 multiplication tables. So now if we multiply 1 into 36, we are getting 36. 2 into 18, we are getting 36. 3 into 12, we are getting 36. 4 into 9, we are getting 36. 6 into 6, we are getting 36. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 is repeated. So once if we take, that's enough. Then 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of 36. All right. So now we are going to see about the common factors. All right. So just a second. We saw about the common factors, isn't it? All right. Now here, consider the numbers 6 and 8. Consider the numbers 6 and 8. So let us write factors of 6 and 8. All right. So now the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. All right. Now, what is common in this is 1, 2. Isn't it? Therefore, the common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. All right. So, the common factors of 6 and 8 are 1, 2, which is 2. All right. 1, 2. And in this, you are taking the highest factor. What is the highest factor? Highest factor is called as highest common factor, right? Which is 2. Right now, let us consider 8 and 12, right? So here we can write the factors of 8 and 12 as the factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. The factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, in this, what are the common numbers? 1, 2, 4. Isn't it? So, what are the common factors? So, the common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2, and 4. Now, what among this, which is the highest factor is 4. Isn't it? So, the highest common factor is 4. All right. Now, let us consider 12 and 18. All right. So, for 12, the factors of 12, we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And the factors of 18, you can write it as 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. All right. So, let me tell you the easiest method also to find out the common factors, right? Supposing I'm taking 12. So, just take LCM. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Isn't it? So, here we have 1, 2, 3, right? And yeah, so this would be a direct LCM. So there is no other way. You have to see the multiples of 12 only. Okay, so where all 12 is multiple. So 2 table will go in 12, 2 6 are. 3 table will go in 12, 3 4s are. 6 table will go in 12, 6 2s are. Right? Of course, 1 will go in 12, 1 12s are. So, how to, understand and write the common factors is through this way. So, this is the direct method of finding out your LCM. So, let's not do the direct method. Let us go through the factors. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. All right. So, similarly, for 18 also, you can do like this, right? So, how 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. 4 will not go, 5, 6. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Then 7, 9 2s are 18. Right? And 18 1s are 18. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 without repetition. So that is how we have here. Now, what is common among this? 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? So these are the common factors. Right? So 1, 2, 3, and 6. So in this, which is the highest one is 6, right? So the highest one is called as the HCF, that is highest common factor is 6. All right. All right. Now let us consider 12, right? So let us write factors of 12 and 16. Yes. So I think this students can do it. I'm giving you 1 minute time to do this so that we can find out. Now, for so many numbers we have done, isn't it? So let us do for 12 and 16. So try it out, find out the common factors and find out the highest common factors. All right. So by then let us do 12 ones are 12, of course. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 5 will not go. 6 2s are 12. 6 already we wrote. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So here the common factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, isn't it? Because 2 will go, 2 6 are, 3 4s are, 4 4 3s are, 5 will not go, 6 2s are, 7 will not go, 8 will not go, 9 will not go, 10 will not go, 11 will not go, 12 ones are. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. All right, now let's see for a 16. So this is for 12. For 16, we have, let's start from the lowest number. 2 8s are 16, right? So will 3 go? No. 3 5s are 15. So 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Okay. So 4 will go in 16. 5 will not go. 6 will not go. 7 will not go. 8 2s are 16. We already wrote. 9 will not go. 10 will not go. 11 will not go. 12 will not go. 13, 14, 15. Next you have is only 16. All right. So let us again check. It will go in 2 table. 3 will not go. 4 4s are 16. Okay. Next 5 will not go. 6 will not go. 7 will not go. 8 2s are 16. We've already written. 9 will not go. 10 will not go. 11 will not go. 12 will not go. 13 will not go. 14 will not go. 15 will not go. 16 will go. So 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, okay, 8, next 16. All right, so these are the common factors. Now in this, let us see the list down the common one. Okay, so 1, 2, we have 4, okay, 3 is not here, 6 is not here, 12 is not here, 8 and 16. So we have the common factors are 1, 2, 4. In this highest common factor is 4. Okay, so what is HCF? It is 4. All right. Now let us see. The same thing has been written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the common factors are 1, 2, and 4. So the highest is 4. So those who have got the highest common factor is 4. Your answer is absolutely right. So I'm sure you all would have understood with this. Now let's quickly move on to the next number. Consider 16 and 18. Similarly, we are going to jot down the factors of 16 as 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So how? So it will go in 1 table, 2 table, 3 will not go, 4 4s are 16, 4 will go, 5 will not go, 6 will not go, 7 will not go, right? 8 2s are 16, 8 will go, 9 will not go, 10 will not go, 11, 12 will not go, 13, 14, 15. So only 16 will go. All right, students. All right, next. All right, so next we are going to consider the factors of 18. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. All right, so here. All right, so here factors of 18 we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now let us put the common numbers. So 1, 2 are the only common factors of 16 and 18, right? So now in this, the highest factor is 2. Because among 1 and 2, which is the highest? It is 2. All right. All right. Now with this, we are moving on to the next numbers. That is 12 and 24. So let us write the factors of 12 and 24. The factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Right. Next, write the let us write the factors of 24 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now among this, what is common? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Only these are common, isn't it? So we are just we are writing it separately. Common factors of 12 and 24 as 1, 2. 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, among this, what is the highest? Highest common factor is only 12. All right? Yes. So, I'm sure you would have understood how to take the common factors, and from the common factors, how to find out the highest common factor. All right. With this understanding, we are moving on to the next. There is an interesting relation between any two numbers. That is their least common number and the highest common factors. Least common multiple, that is LCM, and highest common factors. All right, now let us consider 6 and 8. Now, what is the LCM of 6 and 8? So, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. All right. Right. Now, how do we find out the LCM of 6 and 8? Just now we found out, no, what is the least number? Right. So, I'm sure you would have understood how to take the LCM of 6 and 8, isn't it? All right. So, which is 24. Now, what is the highest common factor of 6 and 8? It is 2. So, check the product of LCM and HCF. What is the product of LCM and HCF? 24 into 2, which is 48. Right? Which is same as 6 and 8. That is 6 8s are 48. Right? So, this is how we will check. Right? So, you have to check the product of LCM and HCF. So, the LCM into HCF is 24 into 2. Right? And next we are checking. How do we check? Just consider the number 6 and 8. 6 into 8 is 48. All right. Yes. Now, let us consider another example, 12 and 10. What is the least common multiple of 12 and 10? It is 60. And what is the highest common multiple of 12 and 10? It is 2. Right? So, check the product of LCM and HCF, which is 120. Same, if you multiply 12 and 10, you get 120. All right, students. So, I'm sure you would have understood the relation between this LCM and HCF. All right. So, we have two numbers A and B. A multiplied by B is equal to LCM into HCF. Now, let us discuss even and odd numbers. All right. Now, let us find the factors of 2. We have 1 into 2, which is 2, or 2 into 1 is 2. So, 1, 2 are the factors of 2. So, 2 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 2. So, the numbers which have exactly 2 factors are called prime numbers. Excellent, isn't it? So, any numbers which have exactly 2 factors. For example, let us take 17. 17 is a prime number. So, what are the factors? Will 17 get divisible by any number? No. So, it is 1 7s are 17 or 17 1s are 17, that's all. So, now that has only 2 factors. That is called as prime numbers. Now, let us have a look at other prime numbers. See, all the prime numbers have been listed out here. Not all, to a great extent. So, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 12, 19, 23. So, totally, we have 9 prime numbers below 25. All right. Right. So, after this, if you take, after 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. So, totally, we have 15. So, there, 9, 15. So, here, balance, 6. So, totally, we have 15 prime numbers below 50. Right? So, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 97. So, total of 25 prime numbers below 100. Okay. So, here, 2 is the only even prime number. So, prime numbers have exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. Let us have a look at other prime numbers. Prime numbers have exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. So, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 13 are 1 and 13. Factors of 17 are 1 and 17. So numbers which have more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers. All right. So the factors, right? So the numbers which have more than 2 factors, they are called as composite numbers. For example, 4. Other than prime numbers, they are all composite numbers. That's it. Because prime numbers have only 2 factors, the number and 1. 1 and the number itself. For example, 1 and 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So only 2 factors, right? And the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers. All right, students. So here we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Carefully write down excluding the prime numbers. These are all called as composite numbers. Okay, for example, here let us take the factors of 4. So 1 will go in 4, 2 will go in 4, 4 will go in 4. So we have 3 factors. Now let us take the factors of 6. We have 1, 2, 3 and 6. So we have 4 factors. Next, let us take the number 20. We have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So totally we have 6 factors. Now let us take 18. We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So we have 6 factors. So number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Yes, everybody used to have this doubt. What about number 1? What about number 1? So now number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. All right, students. So now let us see prime factorization of numbers. Consider a number 6. So how can we write the number 6? We can write the number 6 as 2 3s are or 3 2s are. So here you have 2, 3 are prime numbers. So let us consider another example, 8. Here you have 2 4s are. So 2 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. We can write 4 as 2 into 2. So can 8 be written as 2 into 4, which is 2 into 2 into 2. Yes. Now let us consider another example. Consider number 12. We can write 12 as 2 into 6. We can further write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. Writing a number in terms of factors is called factorization. All right. So what are the factors? As I told you, for 12, the factors is 2, 3, right? 4 again can be written as 2. Okay, 6 again can be written in terms of 2 and 3, right? So writing the numbers in terms of factors is called as factorization. Now let us consider another example. Writing a number in terms of its factor is called as factorization. So writing the number in terms of prime numbers is called as prime factorization. All right. So these are very, very important terms, students. So you must very carefully understand. And, these things we learn it once and then we forget it. So it is always important that we keep learning it and we keep, revising it. Right. So when the number is being written in terms of its factors is called as factorization. And when we write these numbers in terms of prime numbers is called as prime factorization. Right. Now, this can be, illustrated with the good examples. Now, let us consider another example. Find the factorization of 24. So, 24 can be written as 2 into 12, right? So, again, this 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3, right? So, this is called the factorization, right? So, all are prime numbers. So, prime factorization. Now, let us consider 18. 18 can be written as 2 into 9. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. All right? Yes. Let us consider another example, 28. 28 can be written as 2 into 14. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. Right? And for 10, 2 into 5. Right? That's all. It's 2 into 5. We still cannot bring it down. Now, let us consider another example, 16. 2 into 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. All right. Yes. Now let us consider another example. Find the factorization of 36. Yeah, I think this can be done by you. I'm just giving you 1 minute. So quickly try it out and let's check the answer. All right. So time is running, students. Yes. So I'm sure you would have got the answer for this. Let us see. Yes. Now let us see the factorization of 36, which is 6 into 6. 6 can again be written as 2 into 3, isn't it? So 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Yes. Further down. Okay, right. Yes. Right. Now I think with this, we'll have the end of our class today, but I have few things to be communicated to you, students. So we'll do more questions tomorrow. So don't forget to join. And please share about these classes to your friends so that, they also can join and get benefited by it. And the last date for the application is 25th September 2024. This is to apply for NMMSS. All right. So the last date for applying for this NMMSS is 25th of this month. All right. So don't forget, don't just note it down in your diary if you have still not applied. And let's meet tomorrow with more interesting chapters and sums. So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology, and inform about these classes to your friends so that let them also see, attend the classes and get benefited by it. And you can always refer to our YouTube videos and get benefited by it you can use it to practice other sums. All right. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to us. Thank you.